Assalamu alaikum 9th class. Your Pakistan studies lesson has started. You know that we are on chapter number 1, that is ideological basis of Pakistan. Today we will discuss the topic of the foundation and components of the ideology of Pakistan, means base and elements of Pakistan ideology. The nucleus of the lives of South Asian Muslims is religion Islam. Their love with their faith and preservation of their religious identity as Muslims became the base and stimulus of the ideology of Pakistan. It means that Islam is the axis of lives of the Muslims of South Asia. Their love with their religion as a Muslim and safety of religious identity became the base and mover of Pakistan ideology. These are the foundation elements of Pakistan ideology. Number 1 is religion Islam and belief in Tawheed, means faith on Islam and belief on Tawheed. The nucleus of the the base of the ideology of Pakistan and the separate nationhood of the Muslims is Kalma Tawheed, means the base of Pakistan ideology and separate Muslim nationality is based on Tawheed, means oneness of God, oneness of Allah. Contrary to the Western ideology, the base of Muslim nationality is Tawheed and not the country or race. Then this statement was given by Quaid-e-Azam that a new nation came into being when first individual of India converted to be a Muslim. जब इंडिया में पहले बंदे ने इस्लाम कबूल किया था उस वक़्त ही एक इस्लामी स्टेट वजूद में आ गई थी. Second point is about Islamic code of life, means Islamic system of life. We know that Islam is not merely a religion, but it is a complete code of life, which brings the solution of social, political and economic needs of human beings. The aim of making Pakistan was the permanent solution of economic, political and social problems of Muslims. Their aim was the establishment of a moderate and enlightened society in the light of Islamic principles. Third element is Islamic concept of sovereignty. From Islamic point of view, the basic objective of human life is to accept the sovereignty of Almighty Allah and abide by His Prophet. The position of a human being in this world is that of Khalifa of Allah. The Muslims of South Asia wanted to establish an Islamic democratic state wherein they could give a practical shape to the idea of the sovereignty of Almighty Allah exercised through their elected representatives. The whole paragraph means that according to Islamic point of view, the fundamental aim of human life is the total acceptance of Allah's commands and the obedience of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The position of human being in this world is of assistant, means naib or caliph. The Muslims of South Asia wanted such an Islamic democratic state where they can adopt the idea of sovereignty of Allah through their elected representatives. The fourth element is social justice and equality. According to the teachings of Islam, no discrimination can be made between persons in society on account of caste, race, color, wealth. The only thing which distinguishes the person from others is God fearing and purity of soul. The only thing that distinguishes one person from another is abstinence from committing sins and taqwa. We know that it is clearly stated in the Holy Quran. Surely we have created you of a male and a female and have made you communities and clans that you may know one another. The noblest of you in the sight of Allah is the best of conduct. Means surely the most honorable of you with Allah is the most careful of his duty. Social justice and equality are the major elements, are very important elements of the ideology of Pakistan. Before the creation of Pakistan, you know that Muslims of South Asia suffered from social injustices and inequalities. The Muslims were not only deprived from their all rights, but they also faced economic and social backwardness under the colonial system. Being minority, the Muslims were deprived of their rights and they kept backward socially and economically. During that time, not only the Muslims but minorities such as Sikhs, Christian, Parsis, Buddhists, but also low caste Hindus were also treated unequally. Low caste Hindus means Shudras. That is why the important aim of Pakistan ideology was to establish such a society where all sects of people have equal rights. In the Constitution of Pakistan, equal rights without any discrimination of color, race and religion have been granted. You know that Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, when he delivered his first speech before the Constituent Assembly on 11th August 1947, he said that you are free. The people who were living in Pakistan, he said that you are free to go to your temples, to go to your mosque and other places of worship in this country of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion, you may belong to any sect or faith. It has no concern with the affairs of the state. And we are taking start from the basic principles that we are all equal citizens of one country.